I've always gone hiking. It's a small little hike right here, but this opening is in here, and it's pretty freaking creepy. I don't know what it is, other than a cave, obviously, but yeah, it's crazy. And then they have these locks here, so it is locked. Yeah, so it is crazy. I don't know what it is. Oh, there's a dog there. Hi. Hello.
He's not scary.
Oh, that's okay. I don't worry about dogs. I like them.
A lot of people do, and
Yeah.
that might lead.
Do you guys hear that noise? Those are grasshoppers. I've never heard that noise. I never knew they made that noise. There are so many on my path. I'm sure it has to do with the rain we just had. But yeah, tons of grasshoppers everywhere. And I've never heard those noise. So crazy.